in this video I am going to show you how you can assign a substitute for your online timetable. So go to manage substitute. In manage substitute, let's say you know a particular teacher is not going to be available on a date. You can first select that particular date, okay, and you can select the teacher and do get timetable. Now when you click on get timetable, automatically you will see the timetable for the day, what all classes she has. For each class you can assign a substitute. You just have to click on select substitute and you will see the names of all the available teachers. You can search the name, or in front of the name of the teacher just click on assign. Once you assign a substitute, automatically it will be visible to the teacher. A notification will go to the substitute teacher that she has been assigned a substitute lecture, and it will be visible in her timetable as well. So that's how you can assign a substitute, and like I said, it will be visible at both teacher end and student end. I'll show you the teacher's web login. Like I mentioned, it will be visible in teachers both app and web login. So if you are able to see my screen, then in timetable you can see the substitute timetable or the substitute lectures as well, and also in the student's name the teacher's name gets changed and for that particular day, and once the lecture is done, again the timetable goes back to as it is originally. Thank you.